If you have Hashimoto's, you've probably heard from a friend or a blog post or maybe even a healthcare provider that gluten looks like your thyroid, that your immune system gets confused, and that's why when you have Hashimoto's, you have to go gluten-free. This is the idea of molecular mimicry, where gluten is mimicking what thyroglobulin or thyroid peroxidase looks like. I'm here to tell you that is 100% false. This idea and theory came from this research study, and over time, it's been misinterpreted and misconstrued. And here's what it actually showed. The researchers looked at people with active celiac disease. In celiac disease, the immune system makes antibodies against an enzyme called tissue transglutaminase, which is found in the intestines. This is what is used to diagnose celiac disease. But here's the key part. That same enzyme also exists in the thyroid. So when they took blood from people with active celiac disease and applied it to thyroid tissue in the lab, those antibodies bound to that enzyme in the thyroid because it's the same enzyme that's in the intestines. That's not gluten structurally resembling the thyroid. That's antibodies targeting the same protein in two different tissues, the intestines and the thyroid. They also found that about 43% of people with celiac disease had thyroid antibodies, which was much higher than the control groups. So yes, celiac disease and thyroid autoimmunity overlap, but that overlap does not prove that gluten mimics thyroid tissue. And this study did not demonstrate the idea of molecular mimicry between gluten and thyroglobulin or TPO. Now, does this mean that gluten never matters unless you have celiac? No. If you have celiac disease, you absolutely need to avoid gluten. And some people with Hashimoto's who don't have celiac feel better off of gluten, and it may even reduce inflammation, possibly leading to reductions in antibodies in some people. But if that's the case, we should be asking why. Is it gut permeability? Is it overall dietary changes? Is it reducing ultra-processed foods altogether? Is it something else entirely? But saying it's because of molecular mimicry, that is not accurate. Please share this with a fellow Hashimoto's friend so we can stop spreading inaccurate information.